Hi guys, today I'm going to show you my morning cleaning routine. So I usually wake up around 10 a.m., but sometimes I'd wake up around 12 noon if I slept way too late the night before. So my husband works on weekdays and he usually leaves the house around 9 a.m. while I'm still asleep. So upon waking up, I like drinking a glass of water first. Then before I start cleaning, I'm going to prepare my breakfast and load some laundry. I usually do my heavy cleaning in the morning because I like cleaning when I'm all alone. When my husband gets home at night, all I want to do is to spend as much as quality time that we have together so I don't even bother myself with how messy the house gets when we're about to sleep. So after I'm done with my breakfast, I start off by cleaning the table and washing the dishes. Before I start washing the dirty dishes, I'm going to keep all the other dry dishes first, which were washed the night before. Out from the school, so I woke up at 11 o'clock. I ain't got no job. What the hell should I do today? This feel like some I don't give a fuck. Oh my god, shut the fuck up. I ain't hearing what you gotta say. What the deal? How you feel? Not important. All I'm thinking about is riding in these Porsches. But don't be coming at me with that horse shit. Acting like you know me, that's the worst shit. I know in my soul. This fucking cold. That's just we don't have a dishwasher, that's why I am the dishwasher in our home. And we also air dry the dishes before putting them back in the cabinet. Couple minutes and I'll be good. Feeling good don't last a long time. Been a long time coming, hitting stop signs. Cross-faded till I'm cross-eyed. Lost my sense of who I was, who I am. It's the wrong guy. Thoughts gon' multiply, boss with it. Be a boss with it, cost with it. What this motherfucker costing me constantly. Run your little mouth off, knock your smile off. What you bout now? You gon' bow down right about now. Not the type to hit the backspace. I ain't got no time to fuck around. Like them bitches up on Backpage. One of the days I don't gotta chase, cause we backstage. Saber in my brain, anything but the cash shade.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.
Now I'm moving on to the bedroom. I first tidy up the bed and then I'm going to give our bedside tables a quick wipe down.
You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.
Then I'm folding all the dried laundry from yesterday. So, I have a question for you guys. How often do you change your towels and sheets? Because I am very particular about changing them every week.
All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad hat. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah.
I actually find cleaning is an amazing exercise, which is why I enjoy doing it.
There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.
Do you guys also find it hard to fold a fitted sheet? Because no matter how many tutorials I watch, I still don't get it. So what I do is I find the corners of the sheet and try my best to fold it decently. If you guys have any tips or suggestions about this, please feel free to comment down below.
Anytime, so if I remain good, it don't mean that I should. 'Cause I
Now I'm putting back the shoes on the shoe rack. Unfortunately, our vacuum is broken, so I had to sweep the floor manually, and then I'm dusting off the rubber mat. Every time I take out the trash, I always make sure that the trash bin is wiped clean. I use an antibacterial spray and a disposable cleaning cloth for this. And the last thing that I'm going to do is to mop the floor. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video, and if you do like it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click on the bell icon to keep you notified every time I post a video. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos from me. See ya!